2014 BMW X3 with the 2-liter turbo engine. And today we're going to be replacing the oil level sensor. And for this job, we're going to be using part number 013680-131. I guess that's the part number. And there's our sensor. Let's get to it. Alright, underneath the vehicle, we can see we have a whole slew of 8mm bolts all under here. There's like 15 or 16 of them. And right here and right here are two 10mm nuts. Go ahead and get all these off. Start with these 10mm. Switch over to our 8. And we have our rear cover for draining the engine oil right here. Now there's supposed to be a bunch of more 8mm on this, but it looks like there's only one holding it in. So I'm just going to loosen that one and then rotate this. Oh, never mind, it came off too. Okay, that'll work. 17mm. And with our oil done draining, go ahead and put that drain plug back up. Now this one does not have a crush washer, which I think is odd, but he doesn't have any leaks. And it is a really long drain plug, so maybe that has something to do with it. But if you want to throw a crush washer on there, might be a good idea. Maybe it's supposed to have one, I'm not too sure honestly. But it seems to be doing the job just fine without it, so I'm not gonna mess with it if I don't have to. But if you do have a leak, go ahead and put a crush washer on there or some form of a gasket. I really don't know what BMW has for these. And with the oil finished draining, go ahead and grab ourselves a 10mm and get ready to remove our oil level sensor. The connectors are held on. You've got to pinch both sides and wiggle it off, but holy cow, is that thing on there. There it goes. Just be very gentle with these connectors and remove it safely. Next, we can go ahead and grab our 10mm. And remove our sensor along with these 3 10mm nuts. And go ahead and grab that flathead screwdriver again. Use that to gently pry around. There it goes. And there's our old sensor. Make sure your O-ring comes off with it, and hit this up with some brake clean real quick. I'll leave that. Leave a nice clean surface for the new gasket to adhere to. And of course, before installing, make sure that your new O-ring is properly in place. Sometimes they'll fall out and they'll be in the box. Always want to double check all gaskets before installation. And make sure you hand start all three of these nuts, because if you put one down all the way, the sensor could be cockeyed and it could end up cracking this plastic housing. And with all three of them down hand tight, we'll come in here. And reinstall our sensor. Nice. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you'd like to see more videos on the BMW X3s, go ahead and check out that video next. I made that one just for you. And if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all next time.